Hi, welcome. Thank you for joining me again. I am Bev, of course, from Inkwell. And today's craft session is, we're going to look at animals a bit. I've been thinking about the animals a lot recently. It's getting cold out there, and some of them are probably hibernating and building little dens for themselves. So I thought we'd celebrate the animals by making pictures of them, possibly giving them little characters. I like to do that sometimes. So this is what we're going to make. Something like this, or this. Simply using egg boxes. So the faces are made with either this side of the egg box or the underside of the egg box. Then you'll need some card for the backing or the picture frame, whatever you're going to make. Some paints, and a bit of glue and some scissors. Alright, so get your stuff together, and without further ado, we will make, and I will show you how to make these lovely animals. Okay, so first thing we need to do is to cut out our animal's face. Now, I've already made a fox and a bear, so this time I'm going to make a mouse. Mice have quite pointed faces, so I'm going to use the more pointed sort of side of the egg box as opposed to the flatter side here. So when you're cutting the face out, you've got to remember that you need to leave the ears on as well. So the ears are part of the box at either side of the spike. It can be a bit tricky to cut these egg boxes, so if you do need some help, especially with the sharp scissors, then ask your grown-up. Okay, so we've got a bit of a mousy looking shape there. And then you want to give your animal a lick of paint. Go ahead and look on Google or in books, wherever you can find pictures of your animals, and then you can sort of give them the appearance then of the animal that you're looking for. Or look at your pets at home. Some of you might have mice or rats as pets, or whatever animal it is that you are trying to recreate here. Okay, got my basic little mouse there, and then it's time to get your cardboard backing and make your backing. And I'm going to create a frame then for the picture. So my mouse, I think she's a bit fancy as this mouse. Maybe she's a queen or a princess. Okay, so if we're going for a bit of a royal portrait here, we need a fancy dress. Please feel free to draw on your backing if you're not so sure about sort of how everything's going to come along. Okay, we're going a bit Renaissance here, I think, with this queen. So, all that's left to do then is create a bit of a background, and I'm going to give her a crown as well. Remember, you're creating a little story with your animals. Who are they? Where have they been? what they're doing on this day that you're making the picture. And then the final bits really are to sort of make everything look a little bit more pronounced. So I'm just going to give it a bit of a line around this frame. And then I'm going to glue my mouse's face on then. So when you're happy with your picture and your frame and everything else, then you can stick your head on. So I'm just using a glue gun here. If you do use a glue gun, remember they're very hot and to be careful. Okay, so there we have it. My royal mouse. She was once head of all the mice back in the Renaissance days. She's long gone now though. Just a memory in the mouse's eyes. Okay guys, well I hope you've had fun with that. Get storytelling with your animals. Think about them over the winter time in their little nests and hibernating dens and things. I will see you again next time, and in the meantime, take care of yourselves. Stay safe and wash your hands. Bye.